In this video, I will show you how we can change and transform the skyline in PicsArt. For example, if your picture is cloudy and you want the sky to be more blue, and I'm going to show you how you can change the skyline. First, you will need to select your image and drag it into PicsArt. Then we're going to duplicate the image. We're just going to add in any sticker, it doesn't matter, and then delete it again. So for example, this YouTube logo, we're gonna delete it just to activate this layer option. Now we click on our picture, click on duplicate, and we wanna drag it across the whole image, right? And now we click down here and we swipe until we see free crop. We're gonna click on this, select person, click on this arrow. Now we can see the person is selected, and we need to do this so that we can actually change the background or skyline without actually putting the skyline over the person. Click on apply, go to stickers, search bar, we type in sky. I'm gonna choose this one right here, because now you can see it's over the person. We're gonna open the layer option and drag it behind the person like this. And now, as you can see, it's behind the person because we have duplicated it. Without it, it would look like this. And with it, it looks way better, of course. Can do it if you want a more realistic one. For example, this one. Now we click on it. After we are happy, click on erase, because you can see it looks a little bit unrealistic right here. Can kind of delete this like this, and now it looks way better. I hope this video was useful to you.